Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra is stirring the pot with its launch, catching both praise and a fair share of gripes, especially around its display. Users on Reddit and other forums are missing the vibrant colors of older models, finding the S24 Ultra's display a bit on the dull side. Initially, folks wondered if the new anti-reflective Gorilla Glass was to blame, but it turns out it's a software glitch messing with the vivid color mode everyone loves for its punchy hues. Samsung's on it, though, promising a software fix soon to bring back those lively colors. While we're all waiting for the exact date, the hope is that the February 2024 security patch might be the hero we need. Amidst this, there's chatter about the S24's rushed January release perhaps leaving some software kinks to iron out. Beyond the display drama, S24 Ultra users are reporting a laundry list of bugs from FPS meter inaccuracies in games, to dark videos, glitchy video calls, and even some Wi-Fi woes. Despite these hiccups, there's also tech buzz about the Exynos 2400 chip's performance. It's been pitted against the iPhone 15 Pro in gaming tests. With a twist, the Exynos 2400 held its own thanks to lower game settings. Yet, this chip still boasts impressive performance, especially after a comparison showing it going toe-to-toe with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in various benchmarks. Both chips show off their strengths, but the Exynos 2400 shines with extra cores and a speedier GPU, making it a solid choice for the graphics-heavy crowd. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 isn't far behind, especially in benchmarks, showcasing the competitive edge in the chipset arena. Caught your interest? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's chat about these tech showdowns and the S24 Ultra's journey to bug-free brilliance.